Is the LIC Smart Pension Plan a golden ticket to secure retirement or just another pension scheme with hidden caveats? Can the LIC Smart Pension Plan be a dependable source of income during your retirement years? In this video, we will explore its features, benefits and drawbacks in detail. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC's Smart Pension is a non-par, non-linked individual group savings immediate annuity plan. First, let us look at the features. This is a single premium immediate annuity plan. It offers a variety of annuity options to match your financial needs. It provides flexibility to choose between single life and joint life annuity options. Annuity payments can be received annually, half-yearly, quarterly or monthly. It includes incentives for higher purchase prices. Next, we shall look at the annuity options in the LIC Smart Pension Plan. There are 21 annuity options in the plan, where the regular annuity amount, lump sum benefit at regular intervals and final death benefit vary from one option to another, like annuity for single life or joint life, with return of purchase price or without return of purchase price, lump sum benefit at a specific period, fixed annuity or increasing annuity. Based on personal requirements, you may choose one. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Smart Pension Plan. First, advantages. The plan offers an incentive for a higher purchase price through an increased annuity rate. Certain annuity options provide death benefits, which can be received as a lump sum or in installments. The liquidity option allows lump sum withdrawal in exchange for reduced annuity payments. The annuity accumulation option enables annuitants to defer and accumulate annuity payments for a block of 5 consecutive years. NPS subscribers have the option to avail of an annuity under this plan. The plan can be taken for the benefit of a dependent person with a disability. A loan facility is available after 3 months or upon the expiry of the free look period, whichever is later. Next, disadvantages. Annuity payments are fully taxable. Once the policy begins, the selected annuity option cannot be changed. The annuity does not account for inflation. Loan and surrender options are limited to specific annuity plans, restricting overall liquidity. The wide range of annuity options may lead to confusion for investors. Next, we move on to the calculation part. The LIC Smart Pension Plan provides a variety of annuity options designed to cater to different cash flow needs. While some individuals may prefer a steady income, others might opt for features like a return of purchase price or a guaranteed annuity for a specific period. Despite the numerous options available, we will assess the internal rate of return for the standard annuity choice, life annuity with return of purchase price, based on the policy brochure's figures. Consider a 60-year-old male investing rupees 10 lakhs in the LIC Smart Pension Plan through a single payment. He chooses option F, life annuity with return of purchase price. Since the annuity payments continue for life, we assume a life expectancy of 85 years. Under this option, he receives annual annuity of rupees 64,900 and upon his demise, rupees 10 lakh is returned to his nominee. The calculated IRR for this cash flow is 6.38% as per the LIC Smart Pension Plan maturity calculator, which is comparable to or sometimes lower than returns from debt instruments. Additionally, the investment is locked in with limited liquidity. Only selected annuity variants allow access to funds through loan or surrender options. This restriction on capital utilization is a significant drawback. Given the rising cost of living, a fixed annuity may become inadequate over time, leading to potential financial shortfalls. The combination of lower returns and limited access to funds make LIC Smart Pension Plan less attractive from a long-term financial planning perspective. As discussed earlier, two major drawbacks of annuity plans are locking of funds and fixed income throughout life. To address these limitations, let us explore alternate investment options that provide guaranteed returns, consistent income and better liquidity. Retirees can consider the following fixed income options to ensure a steady income stream while maintaining liquidity. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. It offers a return of 8.2% per annum, allowing senior citizens to invest their retirement corpus and receive regular income. Bank fixed deposits. Interest rate range from 7% to 8% per annum with an additional 25 basis points for senior citizens. Interest can be accumulated or withdrawn periodically. Next, RBI floating rate bonds currently yield 8.05% per annum with semi-annual interest payout. Though these bonds have a 7-year lock-in period, senior citizens can make early withdrawals with a penalty. However, these options provide fixed returns that do not adjust for inflation. To ensure your corpus keeps pace with the rising cost, including equity in your portfolio is essential. Periodic rebalancing between debt and equity helps generate inflation-adjusted income while ensuring your retirement savings last a lifetime. To illustrate an inflation-adjusted income strategy, let us use the same figures from the previous example. The investment amount, that is purchase price, is rupees 10 lakh with a starting annual income of rupees 64,900. adjusted. That is same as LIC Smart Pension Plan option F, life annuity with return of purchase price. Now, instead of locking funds in annuity plan, 60%, that is rupees 6 lakhs, is invested in equity for long-term wealth creation, assuming 12% returns, and the balance 40%, that is rupees 4 lakhs, is allocated to debt for stable income, assuming 6% returns. Every 5 years, the debt portion is replenished from equity to maintain regular cash flow. The first year withdrawal is rupees 64,900, mirroring the LIC Smart Pension Plan payout. To combat inflation, withdrawals increase by 6% every 5 years. Upon death, the nominee receives the full remaining corpus, ensuring capital preservation. Under this strategy, the retirement corpus grows to rupees 16.47 lakhs at the age of 85 years, which is significantly higher than the 10 lakhs return of purchase price from the LIC Smart Pension Plan. Additionally, the equity portion is fully transitioned to debt by age 71, ensuring stability in later years. The asset allocation and rebalancing can be adjusted based on individual risk tolerance. This approach provides higher returns, flexibility, and inflation protection, making it a superior alternative to traditional annuity plans. Here is our final verdict on LIC Smart Pension Plan. The plan offers 21 annuity variants covering a wide range of investor needs. However, having too many options can sometimes overwhelm investors, increasing the risk of making an unsuitable choice. The appeal of lifelong regular income may attract many to this plan. However, an analysis of returns indicates that they fall short of expectations and the plan lacks liquidity. Additionally, the loan facility and surrender options are limited to select variants, further restricting flexibility, and it also has a high agent commission. For retirees, ensuring a steady cash flow is key priority when selecting an investment plan. However, many overlook the impact of inflation and corpus longevity. As discussed earlier, including equity in your portfolio can help your retirement corpus sustain throughout your lifetime while providing an inflation-adjusted income. Retirement planning is a critical component of a well-rounded financial strategy and requires careful consideration. A one-size-fits-all annuity or pension plan may not be suitable for everyone. To develop a plan tailored to your specific needs and long-term goals, consider consulting a certified financial planner who can help create a customized retirement strategy. A detailed review of LIC Smart Pension Plan is available as a blog post on our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.